Have you ever watched the sun set and felt that quiet sense of awe, the golden light fading into reds and purples? Now imagine standing on another world. The ground beneath you is rust red. The air is thin and still. And as the sun dips below the horizon, something strange happens. The sky doesn't blaze orange, it glows blue. A blue sunset on a red planet. Why? That's what today's story is about. A world where physics paints the sky in colors opposite to our own, and where every sunset tells a tale written in dust and light. When we think of Mars, one image instantly comes to mind: red. Red rocks, red dust, red plains, even the nickname the Red Planet. But here's the irony. On Mars, the sunsets aren't red at all, they're blue. NASA's rovers Khat Aikike, Spirit, Opportunity, and Curiosity have all captured this surreal sight. As the sun sets, the horizon glows with a pale blue halo, while the rest of the sky remains tinted by rust-colored dust. It looks almost dreamlike, as if the planet itself flips the colors of our imagination. But this isn't magic. It's science. Beautiful, elegant science. To understand why Martian sunsets are blue, we need to look at what's floating above the surface: Mars's thin, dusty atmosphere. You see, Earth's sunsets are red because of a process called Rayleigh scattering. Our atmosphere is dense and filled with gas molecules that scatter short wavelength light, the blues and violets, much more strongly than reds. So when the sun is low on the horizon, most of the blue light is scattered out of view, and we are left bathing in warm shades of red and orange. Mars, though, plays by different rules. Its atmosphere is about 100 times thinner than Earth's, and filled not with moisture and nitrogen, but with fine iron-rich dust, the same dust that gives the planet its red color. These particles are just the right size to scatter light differently. They allow blue light to travel straight through, while scattering the red light in all directions. So when the sun sets on Mars, the distant horizon glows blue, because that's the only light that makes it through the dusty haze directly to your eyes. It's like nature's color inversion, a sunset painted backward. Imagine being there, standing on the Martian surface as a robot's camera lens captures the moment. The sun, smaller than it looks from Earth, sinks slowly into the distance. The sky, softly red, begins to dim, and just above the horizon, a blue glow spreads. Faint at first, then bright, then fading into twilight. NASA's Curiosity rover once captured this exact moment. The photo went viral, not because it was alien, but because it was strangely familiar. There's something human about a sunset, no matter where it happens. Even 225 million kilometers away, the colors of dusk still make us stop and stare. Here's the part that blows my mind. That pale blue light is actually the opposite of what we see on Earth, but caused by the same phenomenon. The difference is just the atmosphere. On Earth, gas molecules scatter short wavelengths, blue, leaving us with red sunsets. On Mars, dust particles scatter longer wavelengths, red, letting blue slip through. It's like the universe reminding us that beauty has no single formula. It depends on where you stand. If you were to watch a Martian sunset through a clear visor, you'd notice how quickly it fades. Within minutes, the sky darkens completely. No lingering twilight. The thin air can't hold light like Earth's does. Night falls sharply, and the stars return almost instantly. It's breathtaking and haunting at the same time. But these sunsets aren't just for postcards. They're scientific gold mines. By studying the color and behavior of light during sunset, scientists can understand the size and composition of Martian dust, the density and layering of the atmosphere, even how wind and storms move across the planet. In 2018, during a planet-wide dust storm, NASA observed that the sunsets grew dimmer and deeper in color, confirming just how thick and variable that dusty veil can become. So every blue sunset is not just a spectacle, it's a clue, helping us decode Mars's weather, history, and future. Now think about this for a second. Somewhere right now, as you're watching this video, the sun is setting on Mars. The sky is glowing blue. A robot we built, maybe Perseverance, might be capturing it in silence. a lone witness on a quiet world. That thought gives me chills. Because it means that human eyes, through machines we created, are already watching alien sunsets on other worlds. It's a reminder that even across millions of kilometers, we are connected by something as simple and as profound as the beauty of dusk. So the next time you see a sunset here on Earth, take a second to imagine one happening on Mars. A sunset painted in blue, over red sands, under a foreign sky. Different world, same wonder. If you liked this video, do not forget to hit that like button and subscribe to this channel for more fascinating space facts like these.